Whether you are looking for a work experience placement, a volunteer position, or paid employment, the steps to prepare yourself for success are much the same. For the purposes of this video series, we will use the term work, but you can interchange work experience or volunteer as needed. Video number 1 in the series is intended to guide you through some initial questions to help you activate what you already know about yourself. In addition, to introduce you to My Blueprint software as an exploration tool for you in your future. And finally, to guide you through the process to create and establish your own My Blueprint account. In preparation for work, think about, write, or share with someone your answers to the following questions. Why do you want to work? What are your goals? What are your interests? Where do your strengths lie? What are your challenges? And finally, what do you already know about work? We all have a network of people that we know and trust. When you need help doing any of the work in this video series, ask people from your network from the list below. These are examples of people from your network. People like parents, guardians, friends, family members, teachers, a resource teacher or school counselor, an educational assistant or job coach. Now that you've done some pre-thinking and answered the previous questions, we'd like to introduce you to My Blueprint. This online program is free for students in Pembina Trail School Division, and it helps students to explore their opportunities in school, the community, in post-secondary education, as well as the world of work. For those who are comfortable doing so, you can use these directions here to establish your own personal free account for My Blueprint. We're going to watch a video now that will guide you through those steps. This video tutorial will help students in Pembina Trail School Division create their free My Blueprint account. To begin with, open your web browser. In the URL, type in www.myblueprint.ca/Pembina Trails. This will take you to our landing page. For students who have already established an account, they will click Login. For any student who is signing up for the very first time, click Sign Up. Below, you will need to select the school that you attend. For anyone attending a high school in Pembina Trail School Division, simply select it from this list and follow the prompts. For anyone attending a school not listed, simply select grade 7, 8, 9 and create account. Choose Student and choose the corresponding grade level that you are in currently. Press Continue. At this point, you will be required to enter your first and last name. This is a safe platform for you to do so. Please note that below that, it will ask you for your birth date and your student number, both of which are optional, but again, this is a safe platform for you to enter that information. When finished, press Continue. You will be required to input an email address and create your own password. It is very important that you remember this password, so write it down and store it in a safe place, or input it into your phone for later reference if required. Choose your language of preference, either English or French, and from the list below, select your school that was not on the list previously. Once you have finished that, you will press Continue. Congratulations, you've just created your free My Blueprint account. Once you've established your own MyBlueprint account, be sure to check out video number 2 in this video series. That will help you to build on your self-awareness and learn more about yourself using your new MyBlueprint account.